Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Instagram. Once you open Instagram, simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right. From here, you simply need to click on Meta Verified and select your profile, and you can see that this type of badge will show on your profile. Click on next and click on sign up, and here you can see what you get with your subscription. So you get all these benefits. You can read that here, and after that you simply need to click on pay to get benefits. So once you click on that, then the Instagram team will identify your profile in 48 hours, and after that you have the verified badge on your Instagram profile. So this is the process by which you can get verified on your Instagram profile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.